How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clip your PUBG with Medal. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, set everything up from the actual clipping hotkeys, the video overlays, quality, and more. And if you want to set this quickly, you can also head over to the top options. And in here, it's really important to set your clip hotkey. Basically, if you press this button, it will then initiate your clip. And then you also have your clip duration. After setting everything up, open up PUBG and it will automatically be detected by the application. And if not, you can then click on the now clipping PUBG. In this video, we are going to use Counter-Strike 2 as an example, but generally all of the applications is going to be the same. So once again, it will automatically be detected. And if not, you can click PUBG right here. And then once again, if you cannot see PUBG, just click add game, add another game, and then you can see all of your open programs. Navigate through PUBG, and then it will be connected right here. After making sure that your game is detected, you can now head over to PUBG, make your place, and then hit on the hotkey button. From there, it will then initiate the clip and save it onto the Medal TV library, which is going to be this one. As you can see, this is our clip right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.